today we're going to look at Equi-Join. We're going to look at how we can use two tables together and retrieve information from both tables using this idea of an Equi-Join. So what we have is we have task 7 already loaded, and you'll see we've already created the design for this. So task 7 uses the Clyde Vet database, and it's going to make use of the owner and the pet table. And there's a relationship between the owner and pet where one owner owns many pets. Okay. We have the fields we're looking for this first task. So we're going to list the full name, address, and the name of the pets for all cars owners. So we've got the first name, surname, address, and pet name. And in order for that to work, we need to use both the owner and the pet tables with pet type equals cat. So how do we then create the query for this design that we've created? So to do that, we're going to create a quick query design. We're going to make sure we're on SQL view. And we're just going to type in the fields we require. So we're going to need first name, surname, address, and pet name from the owner and the pet tables, where the pet type equals cat. Okay, so that seems to be, we followed this design, we're happy with it. We're going to hit run or view to see what it is, the datasheet view. So first of all, we've got an error. So this pet type, so I've got a typo where I forgot to put in the second T in pet type. So I'll hit cancel. So pet type, and view that again. And we've got this information, but it doesn't look right. You can see that we've got Hardeep, Sally, Elaine, and Cameron, and their information is displayed along with these. Now, I happen to know there's two cats, and Hardeep, Sally, Elaine, Cameron are not sharing these cats, Misty and Foggy. And what we've got is we've got duplicated information, so there must be something wrong with our query that's given us this wrong answer. So if I go back to SQL view, okay, so what I forgot to do is I forgot to write in the relationship that exists between it. And this is called an Equi-Join at National 5. So what we're doing is we're saying where the where and the owner dot owner ID is the same as or in a relationship with the pet dot owner ID. All right. So in other words, where these two things are related, we want to display all the cats. All right. So now if I hit view, you can see we've got the first name, the surname, the address, and we've got Misty with Sally and Foggy with Hardeep. And I can prove that this is right. So if we go into the pet database and we look for Misty and we go along to the end, we can see that Misty is owner 2356 and owner 2356 is Sally. So Misty is with Sally. And if I look down for Foggy, we can see that Foggy is with owner 1277, and 1277 is Hardeep. So we've now got Foggy with Hardeep. So this information is correct, and it all works because of this thing called an Equi-Join. And we add the Equi-Join in like that, okay, where the primary key of one table is equal to the foreign key in the second table. And it doesn't matter what way around these go. We could do pet.ownerID equals owner.ownerID. It makes no difference, but the whole thing works. So that's an Equi-Join. Go away, give it a wee shot yourself, and try the rest of exercise 7.